a statement of prestige, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. The 1956 Lincoln Continental Mark II remains one of the most elegant automobiles ever built. Designed to redefine luxury, this limited production masterpiece was crafted for those who demanded nothing but the best. If classic automotive excellence fascinates you, be sure to subscribe and become part of a community that celebrates the finest machines in history. Introduced as a halo model for the newly formed Continental division of Ford, the Mark II was hand-assembled to the highest standards of its time. Its sleek, uncluttered design, long hood, and low-slung profile gave it a commanding presence. Every curve and chrome accent was meticulously placed to create a sense of timeless sophistication. Unlike many cars of the era, excessive ornamentation was avoided, allowing its natural elegance to shine. Powering this luxury coupe was a 368 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 285 horsepower. Coupled with a seamless 3-speed turbo-drive automatic transmission, it provided effortless acceleration and a smooth highway cruising experience. Engineering precision ensured that this grand, touring car delivered refinement and grace, rather than sheer speed. Inside, the Mark II was a sanctuary of luxury, featuring hand-stitched leather upholstery, deep pile carpeting, and real walnut trim. The dashboard layout was designed for both beauty and functionality. With an uncluttered arrangement of gauges and controls, comfort was prioritized with power-adjustable seats, a premium AM radio, and automatic climate control, all setting new benchmarks for automotive luxury in the 1950s. Only 550 units were ever built between 1956 and 1957, making the Mark II one of the rarest and most desirable American luxury cars. With a price tag of nearly $10,000 when new, it was more expensive than a Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Due to its exclusivity, it was favored by elite clientele, including celebrities and business moguls, who sought the finest automobile money could buy. Today, well-preserved examples of the Mark II command prices between $70,000 and $200,000, depending on condition and originality. Pristine, fully restored models fetch even higher values at auctions, proving that its appeal remains undiminished. The 1956 Lincoln Continental Mark II represents a time when automobiles were built with artistry and passion, standing as an icon of elegance and craftsmanship. If you appreciate the timeless beauty of classic luxury cars, subscribe and join a passionate community dedicated to celebrating the most extraordinary vehicles ever created.